In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can add a consistent number of blank spaces between each item that you want to add spaces between in Microsoft Excel. So here we have days of the week, and let's just say we wanted to add 5 blank spaces between each day of the week. To do this, first we want to number off each item in our list. So I'm going to do this plus 1. We're going to copy paste this as values. So we're going to copy paste this, press Alt E S and the V, then enter. Now we have this as values. Now we're going to go from here, we're going to copy this down as many times as we want to add blank spaces between each item. So for 5, we want to paste it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, now we're going to zoom out a bit. So now that we have this pasted 5 times, we can simply sort by the number right here to get the blank spaces between each item. So to do this, we're going to press Alt A S, and then right here S again for sort. In here, we want to sort by column D, the number that I just added, and by order smallest to largest. After doing this, as you can see, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, or now we have 5 items, 2, 3, 4, 5, between each day of the week, and here we can then go from here and delete this column. And now we have 5 blank rows between each item in our list in Microsoft Excel. I hope you found this to be helpful, and if you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.